Many interpretations of quantum mechanics take very seriously its statistical nature. For example, some believe that when a quantum event has a 50% chance of happening one way and a 50% chance of happening another way, the universe splits so that both events occur in their own universe, eventually creating a whole multiverse of realities with their own timelines. However, many interpretations of quantum mechanics allow for deviation from statistical expectations. This deviation is called non-equilibrium or disequilibrium. Eventually, the system relaxes back into equilibrium, providing the statistical experimental results scientists have come to expect. What generally goes unnoticed is the relational nature of disequilibrium. Any local disequilibrium necessarily must correspond with complementary disequilibrium elsewhere in the system that accounts for that disequilibrium, in order to produce a net relaxation back into equilibrium across the whole system. This is the core of what I call the as above, so below principle. As I've discussed in previous videos, biological organisms are made up of nested layers of autopoietic entropy regulation. Each layer can be thought of in the terms of Carl Friston's free energy principle as Markov blankets that attempt to organize their internal states to account for external states, all the way out to the Gestalt organism accounting for its environment. To the extent those Markov blankets have evolved to maintain even modest amounts of quantum disequilibrium, the cross-scale coordination of that disequilibrium, enabled by the nested structure of the Markov blankets, would require comparable cross-scale coordination in the accounting of that disequilibrium out in the organism's environment. This would result in large-scale events in the environment being more likely to manifest in direct complement to the state of the organism, and in the other direction, states would be more likely to manifest within the organism in complement to their environment. This would account for the otherwise unlikely occurrence of correlation between the experience or thought process of an organism and events out in the environment, such as the experience of synchronicities or psychic phenomena. In short, this is my attempt at a scientific explanation of those phenomena, requiring no new physics, just an understanding of the relational nature of disequilibrium and the capacity for biology to harness it. For the past couple weeks, I've been working on the rough draft for a book, Love Under Will, which will break down these ideas in more technical detail and provide the ontological ground from which this physics emerges. I hope to have it ready soon, and I'll be posting updates on the draft to my Patreon.